Back at the Northridge Mall one day before the Jordan 12 flu game release. And of course, I mean food poison game, right? The food poison game. I'm gonna try to find these on discount. I really like these though. I really like these. If you guys don't have any spots where you can get discounts, like, you just need to grab these because these are freaking dope. Such a fan of the soft tumbled leather. Oh my goodness, look at this, dude. So freaking dope. I've already bought, what, 5 pairs of sneakers this year though? 5 releases this year, as well as 5 other pairs. I think I bought like 7, 8, I don't know, maybe 10 pairs, I don't know. So yeah, so I bought way too much. So yeah, I'm not grabbing everything. I'm not grabbing everything for retail right now. I did pick up 3 releases for retail, just too much. Yeah, I do got Jordan 1 low OGs right here, 140 for these. Got some mids. Okay, I think I saw these for the last time recently. They're coming out with so many colors of mids. Yes, they've been doing that for quite some time now, but do got plenty of J's, lows, mids. Oh, these are nubuck in the front. Nubuck in the front. Okay, 125 for those. I feel like they should have made this. They should have made this an OG. No, I don't know. But like, I do like these. Just the leather was slightly better, maybe. Got cool gray mids, but not really. I guess not cool gray because it's not all gray. But yeah, 135 for these. This are an SE, I guess. Hearing interesting information about some of the Jordans, especially with the preschool and stuff. Yeah, these are going for $100. These are $100. Dang, dude, that's crazy. $100 for preschool. This is size 2 preschool, and these are going for $90. So I guess they just made it a little bit more, because 11s do usually cost a little bit more. And I was told that the pricing on these were different. Like, size 10 and under for preschool was different from like the 1s and 2s and stuff like that. And I'd never heard of that for preschool. Preschool is usually all the same price, so just kind of looking into that. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen these. Got Hello Kitty Adidas right here. These bad boys going for $85. That's a grade school. Then see Air Forces on sale, $60, $60, $60 for kids. Do kiddos wear different color Forces? Or are they like the teenagers that just wear this now? I don't know. I don't really know what the kids wear. My kid's not a big fan of Air Forces, so I don't know. Items on sale over here at Shoe Palace. Seeing a lot of outlet-like steals. Look at this, $60 freaking for Ja 1s. Your kid plays hoops. That is a hell of a price. I just realized I do need to get stuff for some kiddo size 7. What's this right here? What's this? Pegasus 41. So what is this? I don't know what this is. It's a Dornbecker. Pegasus Dornbecker. This was probably a return. Dude got a Dornbecker here. That is pretty dope. This is a size 10. Definitely interesting looking. I was like, what the heck? But I guess the kid who designed this really like cats, I guess, huh? First time I've ever seen these. You can find some of the Dornbeckers chilling at some of the Shoe Palaces. Usually Melrose, which other ones? The one in Little Tokyo, and I think Inglewood. Those usually have Hollywood and Highland as well. Those stores usually get all the Dornbeckers. The Dornbeckers weren't as popular this year, so other than the Jordans, you can usually find those. Jordans and Dunks, those are the only Dornbeckers that usually sell out super quick. Got gear here as well. Is this Shoe Palace? Like, is this a house brand? They got Dallas gear right here. I don't know how much they're going for. I don't see. Oh, there's the price tag right here. These bad boys going for $100. Okay, pretty dope. We got Foot Locker. I don't think I have time for Foot Locker though. Let me stop by Chic real quick, and then gotta go pick up my kid from school. Release right. I was like, what the hell? No, this is grade school. This is grade school. I think I showed you guys the grade school version of these when I looked at them. My bad, you guys. Dude got the men's releases right here. Still got the Kobe's. Got the Kobe's. I can't talk. The Year of the Mambas, apparently. And yeah, I do got the 4s. Got the LA Dunks right here. These were only sold in LA or something, right? Something like that. Also have a deal on starter jackets. Buy one, get 150 out. That's pretty dope. And look, they show the Niners and they show the Raiders. And then here's the men's right here. Okay. These are pretty dope. I'm telling you, I like these, man. I like them. I like them so much. And I do need, man, I might have to come back. I don't have time today. This is a 6Y. Something like this would be cool for the girl I need to buy some shoes for. $60 for that. That's not bad. $55 for the grade school 2-3s. Got the men's Jordan section right here. I am astonished that these are still, why are they still the same price? Why wouldn't they drop these to like $100 and get rid of them? That's over a year old. That's over a year old. That's a 2023 release, yo. That's crazy. Like, these are like way new compared to the just doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. And they got one of these left over. I think it's like a return or something, because this is 12 and a half, dude. There's no way a 12 and a half sat and the other ones sold out. Got the Baron ones here as well. That's definitely, I haven't seen these in a while, dude. 140 for the OGs. Got Dunks right here, $60. I don't think that's going to be great for high school kids, like especially with wardrobe and that type of stuff. You want stuff that they can easily match stuff with, you know, depending on, you know, what their apparel game is like. These girls I don't really know, so I kind of want to buy them some plain shoes that kind of match with everything. But I refuse to buy these. I refuse to buy them. I've already bought so many for people. But gotta buy something cool enough so they don't look too squarish, right? $50 for Forces. These are men's Forces right here for $50. All the Cortez is still going down in price. We saw these on sale before, but now they went down even more. That wasn't on sale last time I came here. But yeah, more on sale. Every one of them discounted. Holy cow. Got the Vomeros, 100 for those. $95, $60. Are you serious? $60? $60 Vomeros. Are you effing serious? Wow, that's cheaper than most outlets. This is a size 10 too. That is my size, 10 and a half. Like, you know, kind of depends on the cut of the shoe. But dang, 60 effing dollars. Are you serious? What? I'm still tripping. Got a couple of KDs right here, 75. Got the Greek Freaks already. Dang, dude, there's Freak Sixes right here. Go for 80. LeBron's 100. Dang, dude. Got some really good prices. Easy money. KDs right here. $110. Outlet like prices on Air Maxes, Air Max 1s. $60 and $70. 80 for these right here. This one with the extra premium material, $100. Air Max 90s, 80. Dang. Been telling you guys, Chic's had the most aggressive sales, man. Probably because they're a mom and pop. And they're starting to get a little better stuff as well. Unfortunately, they're not really everywhere in the United States, so mostly on the West Coast. And I did talk to the workers. First come, first serve. Yo, dude. $30. $30 for these mother lovers right here. Are you serious? $55 for these. That's where a lot of these prices cheaper than the outlets. $65. That is crazy. I might have to grab these for that kid, dude. That's just too cheap. And they are Jordans. They're Jordans, right? Yeah, and that can match with almost anything, so I'm gonna have to come back for that. Pretty. Oh my goodness, what the hell? What the hell? That's crazy. I might have to come back tomorrow. Size 9. This is size 9 women's though. Remember, this is size 9 women's. Will they have a size 12? Have a size 12? I'm gonna have to find out later, man. Oh man, I need to stop buying stuff too. God dang it. Keep telling myself that, then keep seeing all these deals. They got Cortezes for $45. Suedes for $30. Women's suedes for $30. Are these grade school? Could be grade school too. $50 for a few of the Dunks right here. Wow. What a trip. And they're doing first come, first serve. First come, first serve. That is why I came here to do some research. Man. And I'm going to hope to try to release this first thing tomorrow morning. So hopefully you guys get this before. So you guys got to watch my videos super early. But yeah, I do got Nightmare on Elm Street, $40 for that one. The tuxedo ones for $25. I never seen these Crocs before. What the hell? What the hell? All right, we're checking out Borders. Checked out all the SB Dunks. Tried on like 8 pair of sneakers. My kid likes these. The Tayshons right here. I think these are what, 40%? 40% off? 50% off? 50% off. Size 9.5. Tayshons run a little tight. There's not that much room in the toe box, but yeah, he likes these, so I'm gonna grab these bad boys for 50% off. I'm surprised he doesn't like the SB Dunks. I don't think he likes the colorways out there. Okay, cool. 50% off. Look at this. I've never seen one of these leave a penny so neat. These numbers are not that much lower than the fives. They're not that much lower than the fives because a lot of the stores, they got similar numbers to the fives. They did. They got similar numbers to the fives. And as you guys saw, and you guys better not have lost out. You guys better not have lost out. And if you guys want these 12, you guys better not lose out because they're going to be at the malls. They're going to be at the malls, man. They are. And they got pairs. They're not easy because demand is pretty high. But if you go to the malls, you should be good. You should be good, but you better get there early. Chic's doing first come, first serve on these. They're doing first come, first serve. So if you go to Chic, you should be able to pick your pair up. The one in Northridge, at least, they are doing first come, first serve for sure. Because I went and asked. And I was like, hey, what's up? Shoe Palace, they did raffles on theirs. But I don't know if they got that many tickets. So I would definitely go check on them. Each Shoe Palace is going to be different. But they did get raffles, and the ones that didn't get many tickets or fools didn't pick up, they're gonna sell them first come, first serve. So check out your Shoe Palace as well. JD Sports, I will bet you they will get extra pairs. Because I swear they've done that quite a few. The last few releases. If you go there early, I bet you they got extra pairs and they'll sell them. With the fives, they were letting people buy 2 at a time. All right, came here yesterday, did some reconnaissance, got some intel, and now we're back here for release day. I did provide you guys information about the release with that little rant video that I did. Y'all seem to like it. Maybe I'll do more. And in that rant video, I told you guys come early. I see lines at Foot Locker. I don't know if those are for the 12s. Chic is already open. Oh snap, they opened an hour early. They do have a few sizes, I think like 8.5 they said or something. They did have first come, first serve. We looked around here yesterday, so we'll go to some other spots. I never knew that Chic actually opens early on release days. Because that's usually a Shoe Palace thing. Shoe Palace will do that. They got extra pairs. See, this is what I predicted, and this is what I told y'all. Do got the 12s right here, and the leather on these. Hold up. Leather on these do look nice. I had to take the shoe tree out just to look at them. And yeah, the leather's pretty nice. Extra tumbled, I feel like. But yeah, that's kind of how they do the 12s. Like the OG 12s, that is. But yeah, these are dope, dude. These are nice. Like I said, I'm skipping them. I just got too many sneakers already this year. And yeah, these shouldn't be called the flu games. These should be called the food poison games, right? We learned that on The Last Dance. See, and I provided the information, but plenty of y'all and plenty of the resellers know. Y'all know. Hopefully you guys are able to take dubs. See, he's already got a couple of pairs. Huge line. They do got some new sneakers that I haven't seen in years. The Air Max Up-Tempos, aka Up-Tempo 95s. These are freaking dope. Not good for white feet gang. I do have a pair of these, and they're just so narrow. They're narrow and they hurt the hell out of my feet. I can't wear these for more than a couple hours. But yeah, these are freaking dope. Man, what these go for? $165 for those. I don't think these released for another few more days. I think they got them early. Starting to see slight sales on the MB4s. Got a couple of the AEs. Got a couple of the Diamond Turfs on sale. LeBron's going for 110. KD's 110. Shout out to the homie Brad. We talked for quite some time about sneakers and stuff. People are still pouring in. It's like 10-15 minutes later. They must have had a ton of pairs. That's why I made my last video. Don't believe all the bullshit you hear on social media. Still got the ones right here, the black toes. But I'm not seeing much else. I'm not seeing too many of the Jordan releases. That's definitely a surprise. I think they opened up early as well, so they probably got rid of all their pairs. Yeah, they got grade school left. They opened an hour early, that's what. So told you guys, go early. You guys should know how each location works in your guys' place. Not every Chic house opens up early, but this mall, they do. I forgot that Chic had what's it called? The Vomeros were so freaking cheap. That was freaking insane. I got as much information about these 12s as possible. I got those Huaraches for 50 bucks right there. Damn, I keep forgetting. I might need to grab one of these, man. These will fit with suits, right? Like damn, I might need to grab one. I haven't seen one at the outlet, so I might have to grab one at the retail stores. Maybe later this month. Dang, I've been buying too much already. Are these eventually gonna go down even more? I really like this colorway, dude. You can match this with anything. Like, I don't mind these either. I just realized I got 5 pair of 574s now. I didn't realize I had so many. I found a couple for like crazy cheap. Like, this one's not bad either. But this one, if this drops at all any more than this, I'm definitely gonna have to grab these. They don't have the all black pair. I guess those sold out. Those were fire as hell too. It's 11:30. There's already a line of people waiting till noon because that's when they get rid of their leftovers. That's crazy. People are hyped about these, man.